Watch this and you'll never manually track a Shopify product change again. Claude logs every update and tells you exactly what changed. No code needed. This is MESA's Setup Wizard. It walks you through getting started. First, name your spreadsheet something unique to your store. Confirm the columns you want to use, and you're all set to run your workflow. Let's walk through this workflow before we turn it on. The Shopify trigger is product updated, which means this fires every time a product changes. Since a product can have multiple variants, we loop through each one individually. This makes sure every size, color, or option gets tracked on its own row instead of getting lumped together. Next, MESA queries each variant against our Google Sheet to see if we've logged it before. We're matching on variant ID here, defined by column C. This is where the workflow branches. If the variant already has a row, it goes down path 1, the update path. If it's brand new, it goes down path 2, the add path. On the update path, we pull the old title and description straight from the spreadsheet and compare it against the new title and description coming in from Shopify. The title comes in with MESA's built-in AI, but you can easily swap it out for Claude. That summary, along with the latest product data, updates the existing row in the sheet. Nothing gets duplicated. If the variant didn't exist yet, MESA skips the AI summary since there's nothing to compare against, and just logs it fresh with the blank change summary column. Now let's run a live test. I'll update my Honey Nut cereal product and watch it run. The workflow loops through the variants, checks a sheet, and AI writes a summary of what's different. There it is in Google Sheets. The row updated with an explanation of exactly what changed. Everything looks good, so let's turn the workflow on. Grab the template in the description. What used to be manual is now automatic, and it scales across your entire catalog. Start your free trial at getmesa.com.